The Food Service Exchange presents
The Magic Chef 24-inch Wine and Beverage Center is engineered to combine the convenience of a refrigerator with the elegance of a wine cellar. The door frame is made from durable stainless steel with a fingerprint-proof finish, so you'll never have to worry about any smudges. While the tempered smoke glass door is designed to help prevent premature aging of wine from exposure to sunlight. Its all-inclusive set of interchangeable glass shelves, sculpted chrome shelves, and flat chrome racks make it convenient to store both wine and beverages together. With 3 different configurations to accommodate your needs, its 5.3 cubic foot capacity holds up to 44 wine bottles, or 140 12-ounce beverage cans, or a combination of 16 wine bottles and 77 12-ounce beverage cans. Note the easy-touch digital control panel with dual LED displays. Offering a superbly balanced approach to home entertainment, its sealed dual-zone cooling keeps items at different temperatures based on their specific requirements, which are easily adjusted and set between 39 and 61 degrees Fahrenheit. A locking control panel prevents accidental temperature changes. The upper zone can hold up to 16 wine bottles or 63 12-ounce beverage cans, while the lower zone can store up to 28 wine bottles or 77 12-ounce beverage cans. The soft blue LED gallery lighting beautifully showcases your collection without the excessive heat commonly produced by incandescent bulbs. With an assembled width of about 24 inches, it fits perfectly into the space of a standard base cabinet, or can be freestanding near the wall. The installation option is up to you. So raise your glass to this wine and beverage center, the perfect pairing for your next wine and cheese party.